Hey, this is Arne with SimpleTix. I want to show you how exit intent would work today in SimpleTix. So we're planning on building a solution directly built into SimpleTix where you can actually just do this directly from the update event page. I'll show you where that is. So over here on your update event page, when you click your event on the left-hand side under promote, because it's kind of a promotional tool, we'll have exit intent here and you can build it out. And let me show you how it works right now. So here's an example of a site with exit intent enabled. I will open this up and open this up in incognito window and paste this in. So the rules for this one, it's 5 seconds after the page loads, and if they move their mouse, like pretty much to leave your page, like clicking the back button or toggling the URL to change it. So at this point, it's been over 5 seconds, so I'll slowly move the mouse over here, and boom, this pop-up happens. That's called exit intent because I was intending to leave the page. And this is kind of like a last minute attempt to save them from leaving, to get them to buy the ticket. So we could offer them 10% off, or hey, if you're not interested in buying the tickets now, give us your email address and we'll give you maybe a coupon, or we'll tell you more about our products. Or you could say, hey, if you didn't like this event, here's another event you might be interested in. You could show that. There's a lot of different things you could do. If you use MailChimp, you could do a MailChimp sign up here, and then, or Constant Contact, or Aweber, any of those tools. So MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Aweber, those are the three we have directly integrated into SimpleTix. And folks can put in their email address here, they'll get subscribed to like a list inside of that emailer tool. And you can do a thing right off the bat that says, hey, thanks for signing up for our list, here's 10% off, click here to use it now. So if you're offering 10% off or $5 off, they got that, that's what you promised on this pop-up. So again, you can collect their email address and automatically send them that coupon. So this is how exit intent works. This is using a tool called Poptin, which is sort of free. Again, we're planning on offering this directly into SimpleTix. You'll never have to pay anything or sign up for anything else later this summer, but right now we're experimenting to learn what people want to do with it. So this is Poptin, and I'll show you how basically you add it to your page. So the very first step is I'm going to go to the Poptin right now. I'm already logged in. We'll give you a link to create your own account, and you'll create your own Poptin like this. I've already created one, so I'm going to click on it here. And when you're creating it, I'll click edit here, edit design. So there's a bunch of rules, and basically after they're done filling it out, this is the page that they get dumped to. That's important. And yeah, so it's a build it yourself. You can kind of build it directly in there. But let's really talk about the rules. This is the display rules. Actually, I'll click next here to see the rules. Here are the rules you'll see. So we're only displaying this on desktop. We're not going to display it on mobile. And the key thing is we're turning exit intent on, and we can also turn it on even if they're not planning on leaving the page, but after the page has been loaded for about a minute, 55 seconds. You can also trigger it based on how they scroll, but let's not do that. You can also display it after they've seen a couple pages. We'll turn that off. And after they click a couple things, that's already off. And if they're inactive, that's actually not a bad one. We'll turn that one on. And the key thing is we only have it on desktop. We don't want this on mobile. And the URL, this is what's really important. So if the URL contains this number, this is your show ID number. So this is 105. If you see the same one here, that's the number here. So you'll never have to do this kind of stuff when you already use this summer when we do our own exit intent builder here. But the big time when you're using Poptin, this is what you'll have to do. Basically, it contains this. And we recommend saying not contains complete, because within a couple of weeks we're going to have, when the order is complete, it redirect to a page that says complete. That way we don't show a coupon for $5 off after someone's ordered it, because that's going to drive them nuts, right? Keep in mind, we could also do something that says, after they've signed up, do a different Poptin or bought tickets afterwards saying, hey, sign up for a newsletter and get 10% off. There's a lot of cool things we can do. But that's basically it. So the next thing is we'll help you out with this if you want to copy the code. So if you click the back button, cancel and edit, if you look somewhere inside of the Poptin, you'll see the code cancel and edit. You have to click that a few times to get out of it. But if you click settings and go over code for installation, copy this code here, and then what you'll do is under settings and under conversion tracking code, put this in right here on the event page. So actually this is just gonna load the event page. So that's it right there. And that's basically it. If you wanna republish the event that you wanna connect it to, just go ahead and click on your event and then click the save button, and that's gonna republish your event page so that code will appear. At the end of the day, that's it. You have a lot of customization you can do directly in Poptin, and if you really like Poptin, you can always use Poptin. You don't have to use the new SimpleTix exit intent builder that we plan on releasing this summer. And the prices for it, if you click upgrade now in Poptin, you can see, so the free version, you get 1,000 visitors a month. For $25 a month, you can get 10,000 visitors, and so forth. So you get 50,000 visitors, so Pro would work best. If you pay for a yearly plan, the price drops. But don't bother doing the yearly plan because we're gonna be offering this for free directly into SimpleTix probably by this summer. So yeah, in this video I kind of covered how to set up Poptin. You create your own account, you can drop it in, and create a promo code. That's what I recommend doing so people get that promo code. Let me show you how that works real quick. So we get a dashboard, and just like before, I'll open this up in incognito mode, paste this in, and let me show you how it works. So again, just like before, wait 5 seconds. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 seconds now. Put the mouse above the status bar or into the URL about to leave. I'll put in any email address in here for now. And I'll click I want the coupon, and boom, you can show the coupon code. So here's a $5 off as the code. This should redirect them to the page within 5 seconds. That was a rule. You can make it less if you want. And if you click buy tickets, you'll notice that that promo code is already applied so that they get that discount. So yeah, there's just an example of how exit intent works today when you're using SimpleTix with Poptin. At this point, there's no cost associated with it. It's completely free. And it's a great way of winning people that are about to leave your page anyway. So thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, email support@simpletix.com. We can help you set up the Poptin or exit intent and answer any questions that you have.